Out here today, we have the Mossberg 500, which you see here. We have the Benelli M1014, and then we are also using the M203 grenade launcher with a specially adapted round for Counter-UAS. As a Marine, looking out on current conflicts here, the big thing, obviously with the Marine Corps, is the improvise, adapt, and overcome aspect. So we're adapting what we have now in our arsenal to help combat these new threats that the enemy is putting out against us.
This capability is very crucial just due to the world climate and what's going on with conflicts in the world. We're definitely seeing an increase in the use of drones in a very creative way, in a way that we've never seen. And it's imperative that we, before it gets to our doorstep, that we're able to develop tactics, techniques, and procedures to kind of counter the way that we're seeing drones used in small unmanned aerial systems.
Do you need a flag and Kevlar piece? Yep. Do I need that?
The keys are right here.
Yeah. Never shot one?
Not this one.
So when you load it, you're gonna have to press this for it to cycle. Does that make sense? So you can load comp.
How many should I load?
Maybe like they get like 8 rounds. Like I'll just shoot the weapon, put it in there, loading it, unloading it, and then like you don't need to be doing like a robust.
Yeah, hold it, rack it back.
Probably be all right.
You gotta hold this button.
I mean that's.
How do you say this forward? Bro, you still calm. Yeah. Pull it back, hold that.
Am I good to go downrange and
then the code Connie on you right here. I like the Mossbergs better. That's pretty cool. But don't mix.
Enemy drone in the area, get alert, and then take your weapon off safe. And then I'll say drone, 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 shoot. And that's when shooting.
I have no idea where it's going.
Area.
Well, I mean, there's like, it's like this kind of
Drone, drone, drone.
It's like maybe this would bump out.
You can't get the shots in. Drone, drone, drone. Enemy drone in the area.
But it will definitely be hot.
Drone, drone, drone. Enemy drones are in the area. Drone, drone, drone. Drone, 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 drone. Drone, drone, drone. So go say hi to the boss while you guys load up. I'll bring him over here. Be ready.
We gotta get this one.
Drone, drone, drone.
So this is what I was saying.
enemy drones in the area? Drone, drone, drone. Drone. Drone.
Engage with the least amount of movement. That's where it's at. So, because
Drone, drone, drone. Drone.
I'll be a little behind. Okay.
Drone, drone, drone. There it is. Drone, drone, drone.